Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So after a bit of pause since the announcement of the Huawei Band 4 in 2019, Huawei is now ready with an update. The company is skipping number 5 and is jumping straight to 6 because we all know 5 number is bad luck to them. First thing first, it has 1.47 inches AMOLED display with 194 by 368 pixels resolution. The AMOLED display on the Huawei Band 6 is a big step up from the 0.96-inch LCD unit on the Huawei Band 4. 148% larger to be exact. Huawei promises a huge variety of watch faces available in the Huawei Health app. The new design also features very slim bezels and a 64% screen-to-body ratio. And this is really identical design to the Huawei Watch Fit with a smaller form factor compared to 1.64 inches AMOLED screen. The Huawei Band 6 weighs just 18 grams. It has a single side button for navigation and is rated for 580 water resistance. Battery life is rated up to 2 weeks of regular use or 10 days of heavy use, and charging is done via magnetic charger. Huawei also mentions that in just 5 minutes of charging should get you enough juice for 2 days of operations. In terms of sensors, the Huawei Band 6 will offer continuous blood oxygen monitoring, which is first for the line. Also, TrueSync 4.0 heart rate monitoring, TrueSleep 2.0 sleep monitoring, and TrueRelax 2.0 pressure monitoring. It will also monitor heart health and screen for sleep apnea risk. In terms of activity tracking, the Huawei Band 6 will support 96 different sport modes. Other additional features include NFC support for payment, as well as access control card swiping, the standard notifications, calls and messages alerts from a connected phone, as well as a remote camera shutter and music playback controls. The Huawei Band 6 comes in a total of 4 colors: Amber Sunrise, Forest Green, Graphite Black, and Sakura Pink. It is compatible with phones running Android 6.0 or iOS 9.0 or later and supports Bluetooth 5.0. The Huawei Band 6 is currently available in Malaysia and will be available soon globally for right around $53 US. So what do you think, guys, of this new Huawei Band 6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.